Question 3. There were twice as many boys as girls in a school hall. After 45 boys and 20 girls left the hall, the number of girls remaining was 3/5 the number of boys who remained. How many students were there in the hall at first? Straight away, the keywords you recognize. At first. So I'm going to try and draw this model backwards. Again, does it mean it must be drawn backwards? Most of the time, yes. If drawing backwards doesn't work, then you draw it forward. Either way, it must work. There are no two ways about it as far as PSLE question goes, alright? It's either you draw it backwards or you draw it forward. So just try it backwards first since I recognize the keywords. So what is the last information given? Okay, let me set it up first. I know that at the end of my model, I must get the starting model, okay, over here. So the last information that was given to me, the number of girls remaining was 3/5 the number of boys who remain. So the girls 3 units and the boys 5 units. So girls 3 units. Okay, 3 units, and then for the boys 5. So 5 is somewhat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next, what happens before this? This is after 45 boys and 20 girls left the hall. So I'm gonna add back the people, right? 45 boys and 20 girls. So let me add it back. So probably this is the 45. And then the 20. Something like this. Okay. And what happens before this? There were twice as many boys as girls in the school hall. Technically, there are twice as many boys as girls. Alright, this should be exactly half of this. Maybe let me shorten the 20 so that it looks slightly more accurate. Alright, obviously they are not drawn to scale. Okay, you know what? It doesn't really matter. Okay, let me reduce it further. Again, model drawing is very dynamic. Okay, you just need to keep editing it. Alright, so what does it mean? Let's analyze. So this is what they are trying to find out. Here, the whole thing at first. There were twice as many boys as girls in the school hall. This entire thing is twice of this. What it means that, what if I take the number of girls and then I multiply it by 2? If I multiply it by 2, okay, it should give me the same number. Alright, do you get the idea what I'm trying to do here? Since there are twice as many boys as girls, at first, I take this amount, I multiply by 2. Then they should be the same already. Am I right? So what can we say about this? It means 6 units plus 40 must be equals to 5 units plus 45. I say again, it means 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units plus 40 is equal to 5 units plus 45. Let me draw it again for you. Alright, let me draw it out. What it means is 6 units, something like this. 6 units and 40 is equal to this. What can we say about a unit here? A unit must be 5. Clear? So our first step, 1 unit is equals to 45 minus 40, which is equal to 5. Once we know that 1 unit is 5, we're gonna remove this additional part that we have drawn out for comparison. We're going to revert back to the original model at first. So at first, it's this plus 20. Okay. Now we have figured out this is 5, 5, 5. Okay, I know again it's not drawn to scale, but it doesn't matter. Follow the mathematics, follow the math. Alright. How many students were there in the hall at first? Well, just add everything up, isn't it? So number of students there were in the hall at first, which is how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 plus 20 plus the 45 here, right? 20 and 45. And that will give you 105, which is the answer.